Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with E-Trade for proper. Visit the E-Trade website. Locate the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Open an Account button to begin the registration process. Select the type of account you wish to create. Choose the option for a brokerage account for property investment monitoring. Fill out the required personal information fields, including your name, email address, and phone number. Provide your residential address and date of birth. Specify your employment status and financial information. Review the investment objectives and risk tolerance sections. Select your preferred account security settings, such as two-factor authentication. Read through the terms and conditions, ensuring you understand all the implications of your registration. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Create a strong password that meets E*Trade security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Complete any additional identity verification steps, such as answering security questions or uploading identification documents. Review all the information you have provided for accuracy. Submit your application for review by clicking on the Submit button. Wait for the confirmation email from E-Trade regarding your accounts. Follow any additional instructions in the email to finalize your account setup. Log into your new E-Trade account using your email and password. Navigate to the Property Investment Monitoring section within your account dashboard. Set up any alerts or monitoring tools that will help you track your property investments. Start exploring the various tools and resources available for managing your property investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.